Welcome to our quick guide on how to navigate the PKP Intercity website, your gateway to exploring Poland by train. In just about a minute, let's walk you through the essential steps to make your travel planning seamless and efficient. First, head over to the PKP Intercity website. Right off the bat, you'll find the Journey Planner front and center. Here, you can input your departure and destination stations, choose your travel date, and even specify the time you prefer to travel. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Next, after hitting the search button, you'll see a variety of travel options. Each option displays key information, including departure and arrival times, duration, and any transfers. You can easily compare to choose the one that best fits your schedule. Don't miss out on exploring the different class options and services available. Whether you prefer the economy for budget-friendly travel or first class for a bit more comfort, there's something for everyone. Plus, you can check out additional services like bike transport or sleeper cabins on overnight journeys. For international travelers, the website offers an English version, making it accessible to everyone. And if you're on the go, the mobile version of the site keeps all these features at your fingertips. Before you finalize your trip, take a moment to sign up for an account. This will not only speed up your booking process, but also allow you to manage your reservations, view your travel history, and access tickets digitally. And there you have it, using the PKP Intercity website is as easy as that.